Apple, the maker of iPhones and MacBooks, announced big plans. They're investing $500 billion in the US. This is a massive investment. It will happen over the next 4 years. Apple says this will boost the American economy. But is it all good news? Let's break it down. Apple wants to create jobs, 20,000 to be exact. These jobs will be in cutting-edge fields. Think research and development. Think software and artificial intelligence. These are the jobs of the future. But will they go to all Americans or just a select few? Texas is getting a brand new Apple factory. This factory will be huge, 250,000 square feet. It will be in Houston, and it will make servers. These servers are for Apple's AI system. This move brings production back to the US. It's a win for American manufacturing. Data centers are the backbone of the internet, and Apple is expanding theirs. They're adding capacity in several states. These states include North Carolina, Iowa, Oregon, Arizona, and Nevada. This expansion shows Apple's commitment to cloud computing. It's also a sign of our data-hungry world. Section 5, boosting American manufacturing. Apple wants to support American businesses, so they're putting money into a special fund. This fund is called the US Manufacturing Fund. Apple is doubling its contribution. It will now be $10 billion. This fund helps smaller companies grow. It's a positive step, but is it enough? Some say Apple could do more. Section 6, politics and past promises. Apple's announcement came after talks with President Trump. Trump wants companies to invest in America. He claims credit for Apple's decision, but Apple made similar promises before. In 2018 and 2021, Apple pledged big investments. They also promised thousands of jobs. So, is this time different? Section 7. Experts weigh in. Some experts are optimistic. They say Apple's investment is good for the US. It shows confidence in the American economy, but others are skeptical. Venture capitalist Eileen Burbidge points out a few things. She says Apple's US investment is small compared to its global spending. She also suggests there might be political motives behind the announcement. Section 8, balancing act. Apple's investment is a mixed bag. It brings jobs and innovation, but it also raises questions. Is Apple doing enough, or are they just playing politics? Only time will tell what this investment will truly bring. One thing is for sure, the tech giant's move is a sign of the times.